Have you ever seen a bright blue flash quickly through the trees and then heard a hoarse sound like a chuckle in the distance? The collared kingfisher is a patient hunter. It will perch quietly on a branch, watching its prey with its sharp eyes, then snatch an insect, crab. This is no ordinary bird. This is the collared kingfisher, a small king of the coast, combining beauty, agility, and an unforgettable song. Measuring about 25 centimeters long, this bird is a stunning sight. Widely known in Southeast Asia and Northern Australia, the collared kingfisher remains relatively safe from extinction. However, its survival depends on a sustainable environment. So, if one day you see a blue shimmer slipping through the trees, or hear a loud call from the mangroves, pause. You might be lucky enough to witness a kingfisher in action in the wild.